loves, welcome back to my channel and thank you all so much for being here. Today's video is going to be kind of different. I'm going to be doing a lip swatch of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette Volume 1. This came out a while ago, and if you watched my anti-haul, I said that I wasn't going to be getting this, and I did not. This was a gift over the holidays. I was like, you know what? Sure, I'll take it, you know? So I thought I'd do a lip swatch of the lipsticks. So it comes with, this is so cute. It comes with what I believe is like a little mixing palette. Oh, and it says Anastasia Beverly Hills. And of course you can use it for more than just lipsticks. You can use it for foundations, primers, things like that. You can be all bougie, like, I'm just gonna mix a little stuff and apply it to my face. I'm just mixing my two foundations, you know, palette or whatever. So I like this, okay? And this is what it looks like. Oh, look how satisfying this is. Check it out. Ooh, I just hit you guys with the ASMR. You guys weren't ready. Okay, open it up. There's no mirror. There's no mirror. And then you have sort of this cover with like names on it at the same time. Okay, well, I mean, and then it also comes with, so this side I'm guessing is for mixing and this side is for applying. So this should be kind of fun. I've never done a lip swatch video before, but I wanted to, and now I have the perfect excuse. So I'm going to just apply these to my lips as is. Let me take this lip gloss off so we can get started. I'm gonna start with color one. I kind of wish it had a mirror so I could just be like right here. That top lip. That top lip is gonna reveal everything. It is really matte, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna get like a flawless application. Like I can kind of get it there, but then sometimes it seems kind of patchy at the same time. But this is what we're working with, you know. What are we calling this? Powdered donut? Okay, so this is color number 1. I don't hate it, but it's obviously not very flattering on me. So this one definitely felt easier to apply, and it appears to be more opaque and less patchy than the first color. I actually like this color. I think it's super cute. Super cute. I think this is a color that I would definitely wear. Alright you guys, that is the lip swatch completed. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and please remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a marvelous day.